Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this laundry basket that I got sent out for review. I got two actually. One has two sections and the other one has three sections. And they both came very well packaged. This is everything that it includes. The first one, this is the smaller one. As you can see, the pieces are a little bit smaller than the other one that I'm going to show you in a bit. This one is more like a square shape on the bottom, and it won't need a lot of space. So it can hold up to 160 liters of laundry, and it has wheels and a handle. Okay, so this is the way that you will be putting it together. It is really straightforward. You just need to follow that manual of instructions. I first did the bottom part, and then you have to add the wheels, which is really great to have this feature, the wheels, because you can transport these laundry cart from your laundry to your room or to the bathroom, wherever you are putting these cart. And you can also use the brakes on the wheels, so it is a really nice feature to be able to just pull in this whatever you need. Okay, so here is the last step, which is to add the bag or the hamper to the tubes. Okay, so this is the way that you will be putting it here, installing this part. And as you can see, it has two sections, and at the bottom you can choose to add the velcro strips in and just wrapping them around the tubes in this cart. Okay, and as you can see, because it has two sections, you can just divide your color and dark in one and white clothes in the other one. Okay, and here is how well the wheels work. And now let me show you the second one that I got. It is a 320-liter hamper, and I personally like this one better because I have a family of four, so I do like to have like more separate the clothing in the three different colors. In this case, I use one for color, one for dark colors, and one for lighter colors. Okay, and here is the difference. So as you could remember, the base for the other one, the smaller one, it was more like a square shaped with rounded corners, and this one is more like a rectangle. Okay, so you can see how it is pretty much the same procedure you need to follow. The difference is the shape that it will have and that it has more space for the clothing to fit. Okay, and here is the last step as well. Just add the hamper, and as you can see, the difference here are that it has three sections. Okay, you can choose to grab these velcro strips around the tubes, and this one has also like two little bags on the sides. You can use these to store your detergents when you are going to wash your clothes or any other maybe some clothes that are more delicate. You can add those as well. Okay, so you can fit a lot of clothing here, maybe a week of clothes or a little bit more, depends of how often you wash your clothing. And this is amazing. You can carry it on as well because it has the wheels and it has the brakes. So here you can see the difference. One is smaller, much smaller, maybe for one single person to use, and both of them have the handles right here on the sides, and one is a two section and the other one is a three section. And the bigger one, of course, is just you can fit double the clothes here, and the other one just for one person or maybe a couple. Let me tell you that the wheels are very effortless to move around and they are quiet, so you don't have to be worried that it will like actually make some noise. And you can also use it just to pick up some toys or as to store some other things as well, towels or any winter clothing as well. And of course, it comes in two different colors. beige and also black with dark brown. And the material is Oxford and metal. Of course, the tubes are made of metal, and it is very, very nice to use. The laundry hamper can be removed and washed whenever you need it, and it's very, very nice.